Hey everyone, another day, another cozy carving project, and this time we're making this adorable tiny squirrel figurine from basswood. It's simple and it's beginner friendly, a chill way to start carving and get those cozy fall vibes going. This little squirrel is a classic carving idea, small, cute, and detailed enough to make it fun. You'll learn how to shape smooth animal forms and add those charming little features. It's the perfect weekend project, even if you've never carved before. We're carving from basswood, a soft, lightweight wood that's easy to shape and smooth to cut. Our block size is about 2 by 2 by 2 inches, roughly 50 by 50 by 50 millimeters. Perfect for small animal carvings like this. Here are the tools we'll use. The C16 big roughing knife for shaping and removing excess wood, the C7 detail knife for fine features, and the K1202 compact V tool for crisp lines and texturing. Also, grab a pencil and our carving pattern. Free to download, print, and start carving right away. You'll find all the details in the description below. Let's get our wood block ready for carving. This step sets you up for a clean carve. Paper patterns like this are super handy. They guide your cuts and make it easy to follow the design. Attach the pattern to the blank using glue. This helps you visualize the shape and follow the outlines accurately as you carve, so you can see where to carve and where to leave material. Make sure the paper sticks flat to the wood. You don't want it shifting while you cut. Let it dry up a bit, then we're ready to carve. All right, let's rough out the shape. Using your roughing knife, start carving away the excess wood outside the pattern lines. This is called roughing out, where we create the basic blocky shape of the figurine before working on the details. Work from all sides, front, back, and top, following the outline of the pattern. Don't rush this part. Keep your cuts controlled and follow the silhouette of the pattern. Take your time here. A solid, rough shape makes the detailing much easier later. Once you've got the rough outline, redraw the back profile if needed to guide the next stage. This helps keep your proportions right. Now start refining the squirrel's shape. Define the tail, round out the head and body, and smooth transitions between them. The goal here is to move from sharp, blocky corners to smooth, natural curves. Work slowly, remove small chips at a time, and keep checking the shape from different angles. This step is all about bringing out the squirrel's natural form. Let's give our little squirrel some life. Use your detail knife to define the nose, cheeks, and paws and mark out the spots for the eyes and ears. Switch to the V tool to carve in some fur lines or small textures. This makes the figurine look more natural and adds that handcrafted charm. If you ever feel unsure, sketch small pencil lines on the wood. It's a great way to plan your next cuts. When you're happy with the carving, it's time to smooth things out. Lightly sand the figurine. Use fine sandpaper to gently remove any knife marks or rough spots, just enough to feel smooth in your hands. Don't overdo it. You can leave the squirrel natural, add a light beeswax or oil finish, or even paint. Totally up to you. Either way, your squirrel's ready to shine. And there you go, a cute, tiny wooden squirrel that'll fit right in with your autumn decorations. It's a great beginner project to build your confidence and practice carving animals. So grab your tools, download the free pattern, and carve along with us. If this inspired your inner carver, give us a like and subscribe to Beaver Craft. More tutorials are on the way. See you next time, and happy carving.